Hello. We are the esteemed team at MDI, and today we invite you to join us on a reflective journey back in time. As we navigate the complexities of 2024, it's crucial to pause and appreciate the foundation upon which our current world is built. This past year has been marked by numerous events, especially in the political realm. In the sphere of pop culture, Taylor Swift's latest album has shattered records, resonating with fans around the globe and sparking conversations across countless platforms. Amid these transformative changes, many of us have embraced a hybrid working model, blending office life with the flexibility of working from home. In moments like these, it is important to remember the words of Sir Isaac Newton.
If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants.
These words remind us of the enduring impact of those who preceded us, whose legacies empower our own advancements. For 60 years, MDI has been supporting international organizations in implementing a sustainable leadership culture. Over the years, we have also trained some familiar faces. Join us and remember the significant developments our world has made in the past 60 years. Let's go back to the very beginning. The year 1964. In 1964, as the Beatles released A Hard Day's Night and ignited Beatlemania, another revolution was underway. The invention of the integrated circuit heralded a new era in electronics, packing power into the palms of our hands. This technological leap met a workforce ready to innovate, ushering in a new age in the corporate world. By the late 1960s, ARPANET laid the foundation for the Internet, a network that would eventually connect the whole world. The 1970s brought dynamic new leadership styles and the rise of personal computing, with Microsoft and Apple leading the charge. By 1977, not only were offices transforming, but so were homes with the introduction of the Apple II. The 1980s were a decade of mobility and connectivity. The introduction of the Osborne 1 and Motorola's first mobile phone revolutionized how we communicated on the go. This era also witnessed monumental cultural events, from the wedding of Charles and Diana to the humanitarian spectacle of Live Aid, showcasing the power of global solidarity. As the Berlin Wall fell in 1989, barriers in communication crumbled with it. The standardization of TCP/IP protocols in 1983 set the stage for a truly connected world. This period also saw Star Wars capture the imagination of millions, blending technology and storytelling in unprecedented ways. As we approach the new millennium, Google and Wikipedia revolutionized how we accessed and interacted with information. Pop culture also evolved with the debut of The Simpsons in 1989, offering a satirical look at American life through the lens of a yellow cartoon family. Through innovations like the iPhone and iPad, technology adapted to fit into our hands and lives, mirroring the adaptability and drive of millennials who are now stepping into leadership roles. Platforms like TikTok continue to redefine media consumption, shaped by the creativity and engagement of a new generation. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era. Advances like Tesla's autopilot and Google's quantum supremacy hint at future possibilities, while global movements for climate action remind us of our shared responsibilities. As we embrace these changes, we also adapt to the challenges and opportunities they bring. So from typewriters to AI, from baby boomers to Generation Alpha, the past 6 decades have not only transformed the workplace but also redefined the essence of leadership. As we look toward the future, the journey of innovation and adaptation continues.